Before we take the wiper blade arms off, it's always a good idea to just take a marker that's okay to use on a windshield, like a paint marker, and just mark where the wipers are, so when you put it back together, you can put them in the same place. Take this cover off right here. You can use a pick or a screwdriver just to get underneath here, pry it up. Use a 15mm socket, take this nut off. You might want to hold the arm while you do this. They make wiper arm pullers. You can try one of those and try to fit that on if you're having trouble getting this off. But for the most part, if you just rock this back and forth, you should be able to slide it right off. You can take the blade off right here, just push down on the pin, and it slides right out. There's the arm. Take the wiper blade and just slide it right back in, lock it in place. Now you can take the arm, slide it in position. You can line it up with your mark on the windshield. Put the nut on. Snug it down. Now while holding the wiper arm, I'm going to torque this nut to 21 foot-pounds. And take the cap, line it up, lock it down.